Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how to raise hand in Amazon Chime. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to raise your hand in Amazon Chime, first of all you need to join a meeting or start a meeting itself. So once you open your Amazon Chime app, you will end up in this page where you need to tap on Instant. Once you tap on Instant, now you need to simply generate a new ID or select your personal meeting ID and start a meeting. So once you have started a meeting by inviting other invitees as well, you will end up in this kind of interface where all you can find is the raise hand option in the bottom left hand side. Once you tap on it, you will end up in this page where once your hand turns into blue color, it indicates that your hand has been raised. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.